Hey guys, it's Sarah here from FurnitureFlipBySarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a whole closet transformation using Fusion mineral paint for a wall detail and adding some custom shelves. I'm gonna go ahead and fill all the holes with some dry decks. It just goes on pink and then dries white, so it's really easy to tell when it's ready to be painted. Okay, so now that I got everything filled, I'm gonna go ahead and use a 100 grit sandpaper and just smooth all of the wood putty and get ready to paint. Obviously put all the clothes on my bed, but now I'm ready to start painting, and I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty tone paint. This is leftover from another project. It is in the color Melting Glacier, and then that way I have a nice white base for my pattern. I'm also just using a regular foam roller that is meant for the walls, and I picked that up from my local home hardware. See, the whole closet is completely painted white, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do some detail work with Fusion mineral paint in coal black and a 1.5 inch brush. This brush is just from my local home hardware, and I will time lapse the rest for you guys. For this detail, I just went down in a straight line, but made sure each line was kind of zigzagged from each other to make the pattern look a little bit more organic and natural. So I am loving how this detail turned out, and it was honestly super fast and quick. If this wall was already painted white, this project would have taken me like 10 minutes, maybe less than that. So I am loving how it looks. It's a lot right now because that's all that's in there, but once I start hanging up my clothes, and then I'm going to be putting in some white shelves over here for shoes. I'm really happy so far. Light fixture, I'm gonna be actually using this basket. It's a little broken right there, but that is gonna be okay because I'm gonna put it upside down and use it like this. Sorry. So I'm just gonna cut these little handles off and drill a hole at the top and then just attach it to the ceiling. Okay, so I'm out in the garage, and for this, I'm just using like your basic Dollarama scissors. So you guys can see that, and I'm just gonna cut the leather straps. And this basket I just picked up from my local thrift store. So to cut the hole on the top of this, I did get my dad to help me, and he is just using a jigsaw and he cut out the top part in sections. Now I am just attaching my basket to the roof with my pre-drilled holes. I can just screw it right in. Here they're just like in a chrome finish. I'm gonna give them a nice coat of black matte spray paint, and then that way I can reuse them in my new design. So here's the spray paint I'm using. It's just a Rust-Oleum in a flat black. Ahead and sprayed all my hinges for my custom shelves. That way everything is in the same color scheme. To make sure the shelves were going to hold up and be sturdy enough, I used some small anchors before attaching the brackets to the wall. Then I went ahead and used casement from Fusion Mineral Paint to paint the shelves a nice crisp white. The shelves I had pre-cut from an old MDF board. So here's the view from just outside of the closet. I'm currently working on painting the rest of my room white, as you can see up there, but it's starting to come together and I can't wait to share with you guys the whole room transformation. You can see I got a lot of work to do, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can see my room makeover. Forget to head over to our Instagram, FurnitureFlipBySarah, for more fun DIYs. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed.